Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C. became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. Top Russian bank quits Europe, citing sanctions. Reports Sberbank, one of Russia's largest state-controlled banks, is dropping out of almost all European markets citing Western sanctions following Russia's invasion of Ukraine, Reuters reported Wednesday. According to the report, the bank suffered large outflows of cash and threats to its staff and property. On Tuesday, the European Central Bank, ECB, ordered the closure of Sberbank's European unit after a run on deposits following Russia's invasion of Ukraine last week. Sberbank's European assets were valued at €13 billion, $14.4 billion, at the end of 2020, according to the report. The bank operated in several European countries, including Austria, Croatia, Germany, and Hungary. Sberbank has used blockchain technology for banking, launching numerous initiatives over the last few years. In January 2021, it filed to launch its own stablecoin, a private cryptocurrency linked to the value of real assets like the US dollar. The European Union said Wednesday it banned 7 Russian banks from the international financial messaging system SWIFT as a result of the military operations in Ukraine. The Union has planned a historic support package for Ukraine, which includes €450 million worth of lethal weapons to aid Ukraine as it stands against Russia. The second news today is Harmony launches Bored Ape Yacht Club Passport. Harmony, the blockchain platform based on the Ethereum chain, announced the launch of its Bored Ape Yacht Club Passport and support for cross-chain activities, including interoperability between Harmony, Ethereum, BNB chain, and 3 other blockchains. Harmony said that the launch of the passport this time is proof that the holders have ownership of assets across multiple blockchains and will not transfer property for this purpose, ensuring authenticity. The passport enables users to input. Seeing the logo makes me excited, Mert, front-end developer and PancakeSwap supporter, tweeted. A total of 15 DeFi protocols support the Binance Blockchain Week 2022, including CertiK, COI and 98, Injective Protocol, 1inch, and EasyFi. And second news today about Polkadot's co-founder Vivek Prasannan on Parachains, Crowdlands, and Polkadot's role in realizing WEB3. Polkadot's Parachain auctions have been one of the most hotly anticipated events in the platform's history. After the first raft of projects battled it out during November and early December, now the auctions for slot 6 through 11 are underway. And one of the contenders vying for a slot is Polkadex, the order book-based DEX built for the Polkadot ecosystem using Substrate. The project launched its Crowdland in January, offering participants the chance to earn rewards in Polkadex's native $PDEX token in return for loaning their $DOT to be bonded in a paired chain. It's a somewhat unique value proposition for participants, as $PDEX is already a traded token, whereas many Polkadot projects only launch their tokens once they're up and running on a paired chain. Despite being right in the thick of the Crowdland process, co-founder and executive director Vivek Prasannan recently took some time out of his busy schedule to sit down for an interview with us. Prasannan has been in the blockchain and crypto space since 2013, having been an early adopter who tried to experiment with mining bitcoins from his office using a 44 GH per second mining board. Since then, he's been involved with research and investing in projects including Ethereum and BitShares, with a particular focus on improving the user experience of decentralized exchanges. In 2019, he met Polkadot's co-founders Gautam J and Deepansh Singh as they were working on an innovative new stateless consensus algorithm. In 2020, they decided to launch their DEX on Polkadot, and the project will go live on mainnet in 2022. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. Thailand. One of Asia's biggest adopters now barred from using crypto as payment. Within the Asian market, the crypto market grew drastically and showcased a unique insight. In just a year, the market saw a 706% increase. Thus, it represented 14% of all crypto transactions around the world, and Thailand, indeed, made headlines. Chainalysis's report indicated that the crypto market of Central and Southern Asia and Oceania, CSAO, received as much as $572 billion in just a year, from July 2020 to June 2021. More than 1 in 10 working-age internet users own some form of crypto. This figure rose to more than 2 in 10 in Thailand. Thai users held more than $3 billion worth of cryptocurrencies this year, a massive increase compared to just a few years ago. In fact, in 2021, transaction volume increased by about 600% from November 2020 to April 2021. Do all things come to an end? Indeed, the rising crypto adoption met a major obstacle here in the region. From 1 April 2022, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. According to a report by Bloomberg on 23 March, Thailand Regulatory Board issued rules to ban digital assets for payment of goods and services. This new development will come into play at the start of next month. In a joint press release, the Thailand Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Bank of Thailand, BOT, said business operators including crypto exchanges must not provide such payment services and are barred from acting in a manner that promotes digital assets to pay for goods or services. However, the new regulation won't affect trading or investments in digital assets. Until the end of April, companies and local businesses had to comply with the new rules. The development pricing units other than the Thai bot would increase the cost of economic activities. The rising crypto adoption. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0.25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.